This is the spray which we can use for door hinges, and then you can spray over these hinges, all over these hinges, and this spray it's work very fine. Yeah, before my garage door was making like, you can spray over here all these hinges. Before my door was working, making any noise. Again I will open. See, it is not making any noise. Before, oh my goodness, it was hell open. Alright guys, take care of yourself. Bye bye.